So I'm going to show you the chord progression of Majesty by Peruzzi, okay? So it's quite simple. There are usually four chords in this beautiful song. So we use La, Do, Sol, Fa, so like this. La, this is La, Do, Sol, Fa. I'll take it one more time. So the chord for La, that's Do, La, Do, Mi, La, Do, Mi, La, Do, Mi. You can see these lights showing. La, Do, Mi, La, Mi, La. So that's the first chord. Then I went to the second chord. Do, Mi, Sol, Do, Mi, Sol, Do, Sol, Do, Mi, Sol, Do, Mi, Sol, Do, Sol, Do. Then I went to the third chord. Sol, Sol, Ti, Re, Sol, Ti, Re, Sol, Ti, Re, Sol, Re, Sol, Sol, Re, Sol, Sol, Ti, Re. Then Fa, Fa, La, Do, Fa, La, Do, Fa, Do, Fa, Fa, La, Do. So those are the four chords I use. So for the La chord, I use C sharp minor. For the Do chord, I use E major. For the Sol chord, I use B major. For the Fa chord, I use A major. So let's see how the chord progression goes. So what I did there was La-ti-do, 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 see? La-ti-do, Sol, La-ti, Sol, La-ti, Sol, Fa, Fa, Sol, La, Fa, Sol, La. Reading coupled with the chord progression. So now let me sing the chord progression while I sing the song, okay? So don't be shy. I no fit move until I see wala. I cry your river if I fit wala. The next part, baby my love, say now your cruise I like. Show me your miracle tonight. Take me high, I wanna feel alright. Let me take it again. 1, 2, go. Alright. Don't be shy. I'm not feeling even to see your light. I'm sorry, okay. Alright. Don't be shy. I don't feel move until I see your light. I cry a river if I fit wildlife. Baby, my love, say now your cruise I like. Show me that your miracle tonight. Take me high, I wanna feel alright. I'll take it one more time. Let's go. Don't be shy. I don't feel move until I see your light. I cry a river if I fit wildlife. Baby, my love, say now your cruise I like. Take me high, I wanna feel alright. So, to that part of the song. One day if you see the mermaid, I owe your majesty. Make you a fine like this. You supposed to stay with me. One day if you see the mermaid, I owe your majesty. Make how the chord progression goes from throughout the song. Okay, so don't mind my voice. Okay, not everyone is a good singer. All right. So within the chord progression, you can always put the rhythm there. Alright, don't be shy. You understand? Just keep putting the chord progression, the rhythm between the chord progression, how they should appear. And also don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Okay, this is very simple way for beginners to master chord progression of different songs. Alright.